DPF Emulator installation in Putzmeister M760. Locate 3 temperature sensors in the differential pressure sensor. Disconnect 3 temperature sensors in the differential pressure sensor. Connect the plug with the green wires from the emulator harness directly to the physical temperature sensor. This is the only connector that is not plugged into the vehicle wiring or ECU side, but into the sensor itself. This allows the device to read the resistance correctly. Connect the rest of the plugs from the emulator's wiring harness. Locate the common rail fuel pressure sensor. Solder the emulator's purple wire in line to the sensor's middle wire. Secure the soldered wire with the insulating tape. Once the emulator is correctly installed, you can replace the DPF filter with the straight pipe. Loosen the bolt securing the clamp around the filter. Once the bolts are loosened and clamps lifted up, you can remove the DOC. Once the DOC is removed, you can take the DPF filter out and replace the middle part with the straight pipe. Secure the straight pipe with the original clamps.